commodities in focus. Now, PNB is higher and so is ITDC. Vahishta is standing by on both those names. Vahishta, over to you.
Hi, Prashant. Thanks for that. Let me start with Punjab National Bank, which has received an approval of DIPAM for the divestment of the stake in UTI Asset Management Company for approximately 1,300 crores. PNB currently holds 15.2% stake in UTI AMC, and the objective is to realize a gain on investment. Moving on to Indian Tourism Development Corporation, wherein the government has fixed 7,400 crores as the indicative value for Ashok Hotel. The Ashok is among the 8 ITDC assets which are listed under the National Monetization Pipeline, which was announced by the Finance Minister last year. The Ashok Hotel's monetization will take place through the public-private partnership mode. Back to you.
Thanks a lot for that, Vahishta. Both those two flying away. But Sonal joins us to tell us about Oberoi Realty. There's an update that's come about. Sonal?
Well, yes, there is an update and a clarification that the company has issued. Now, remember, back in the week, they had spoken about an EGM which will be held on 1st December. And this was done to purchase one or more residential premises in the project 360 West. They hold a 32.5% stake here, but they have given more clarification because the worry was, how will they fund it? Will it raise debt levels for the company? And why did they not, at that point in time, speak about financing of this particular acquisition? So the company says that yes, they hold 32.5% profit share in this project, and they have pending receivables to the tune of 1,200 to 1,500 crore rupees from Oasis Realty, which basically holds 360 West. They say that company will pay this 4,000 crore rupees, which will be in tranches over the next 12 months, and entire consideration, according to the company, is cash neutral. So this is a big clarification, because the fear was that debt will go up because of this acquisition. Company will be able to recoup pending receivables from the 32.5% stake, and that is something which will be used for this payment. Company will continue to be the main seller of the unsold inventory in 360 West, and the stamp duty that they are paying right now at the time of acquisition is something which can be set off against the sale that they will make of these units which are unsold right now. So these are a couple of clarifications that the company has issued, on the back of which ICICI Security says that company is still continuing to retain control of entire sales of the project, and company's guidance of proposed transaction that it will be cash neutral will allay all the fears with respect to debt increase that the street had, and this has come in as a relief for the stock today.
Stocks up about 2.5%. So thanks very much for that. Well, time for some important market opinion. Our counterparts in Asia spoke with Christopher Wood of Jefferies, and this is on the entire Russian gas price cap issue, which, by the way, is still under discussion. There is no consensus according to latest reports. China's COVID strategy, the latest lockdowns there, and of course a bit about the Indian market as well. Listen in.